In this video, you'll learn how to reset your Binance two-factor authenticator by following these steps. You will be able to regain access to your account securely and ensure your settings are up to date. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are on the home page, navigate to the account icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Account Center. This will take you to a new page dedicated to managing your account settings. On the Account Center page, look for the Security option in the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Security to access your security settings. In this section, locate the Authenticator app area. This is where you will manage your two-factor authentication. Next, you will need to disable or reset your two-factor authentication. Find the option labeled Disable or Reset next to Google Authenticator. Click on this option to proceed. If prompted, you may need to complete identity verification steps to confirm your identity. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Once you have successfully disabled or reset your two-factor authentication, it is time to re-enable the Google Authenticator. You will see a new QR code displayed on the screen. Open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Use the app to scan the new QR code. After scanning, make sure to save the backup key provided, as this will be essential if you need to restore access in the future. Finally, confirm the activation of your Google Authenticator by entering the 6-digit code generated in the app. This code changes every 30 seconds, so ensure you enter it promptly. After successfully entering the code, your two-factor authentication will be reset and you will be notified of the successful activation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.